Question 30. In an experiment for measuring G, a particle is thrown vertically up in an evacuated tube and allowed to fall down. Delta TL is the time interval when the particle crosses a lower level in the tube while going up and while falling down. Similarly, delta TH is the time interval when it crosses an upper level while going up and while falling down. H is the distance between the two levels as shown in the figure below. The correct value of G is which of the following? Let's use the schematic diagram to visualize what the question is talking about. So basically we have two levels, one upper level and one lower level. A particle is moving upward. Since the downward gravitational force is constantly acting on the particle, its velocity is decreasing when going up. While moving up, at the time it passes the lower level, its velocity is denoted by UL. When it passes upper level, the velocity is further decreased to UH. After that, the particle continues moving up until its velocity becomes zero. Beyond this point, the particle is accelerated downward by the gravitational force and falling down. The time interval when the particle crosses the upper level while moving up and falling down is denoted by delta TH. Similarly, the time interval when the particle crosses lower level while moving up and falling down is denoted by delta TL. Making use of the formula S equals to ut plus half at squared, and knowing that the displacement between the time interval is zero because the particle is at the same position, we can express the velocity of particle at the upper or lower level in terms of the time interval. Next, we let the time for particle to move from lower level to upper level be t. Then, we can express the distance h between the two levels as ULT minus half gt squared. Then, we can further use the formula V equals to U plus AT in order to express t in terms of velocity. By doing this, the expression of h will only consist of velocities and g, and we can then express g in terms of h and velocity. We still have a few more steps to do. Recall that we have previously expressed velocity in terms of the time interval. By substituting into the g expression, we obtain the reciprocal of g to be 1 over 8h times delta TL squared minus delta TH squared. With this, the g is shown to be 8h over delta TL squared minus delta TH squared. Thus, the answer is A.